today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious, super easy chocolate truffles. They're only 3 ingredients plus toppings, so let's get baking. So I have my chocolate already chopped up in a bowl, but the first thing we are going to do is pour our double cream into a saucepan along with our butter. As always, I will leave all the quantities in the description box, and we're just going to heat this really gently over a low heat until the butter melts. So the butter is melted now, and we're just going to wait for the cream to heat up a little bit. Once you start seeing bubbles around the outside, then it is ready. So now the cream is nice and hot, so we're going to pour this over the chocolate. And then you can stir it straight away, but if you leave it for about a minute or 2, it will allow the chocolate to melt a little bit, so you're not stirring for ages. So that is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna switch to a whisk and get mixing. Then I'm actually gonna get a loaf tin and pop it in there, because that is going to make it really easy for me to scoop out. Of course I get it everywhere because I'm messy. Then just give it a little wobble, doesn't really matter. And then we're going to pop this in the fridge for a good 3 to 4 hours to set. Our ganache mixture has set, and I've got an array of different toppings here, so cocoa powder and different sprinkles. But first we need to make some balls out of these. So with a spoon, and I'm using this spoon just so I can measure about a tablespoon for each one. Get it out and then just mould it in your hands. And this is a messy process, but hey ho. Now before you all come at me for using my hands, number 1, they are clean. Number 2, I've run out of gloves. And number 3, I'm not a professional baker. This is just what I'm eating, so it's absolutely fine. And after that little rant, let's get on with decorating. I'm gonna grab another spoon, start with the cocoa powder and just roll it around. That's your first truffle done. Let's try some sprinkles. And that is your truffles done. It's a messy business, but they are going to taste delicious. So let me plate them up and then we can taste. My favourite bit, we get to taste them. I'm going to go for a cocoa powder one. Have I got it all around my mouth? I bet I have. Yep. Well, that's attractive for the camera. 2 seconds. Has it gone? Hopefully. They are delicious, very rich. You only need one at a time, but super simple to make. Only 3 ingredients for the main truffle, and then decorate them however you like. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.